Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Sharon Imran, your English language grammar teacher. I hope all of you are doing good, and if you're staying at home, please stay at home and take care of yourselves. We'll be learning about articles today. Alright. We use the articles a or an before a singular noun. We use a or an when we talk about a common noun for the first time. A and an are indefinite articles. Alright, so we use a or and whenever we are talking about a singular noun. Okay, whenever we are talking about a singular noun, as in a single noun, for those words we use a or an. Alright, so we use a where the noun is singular and begins with a consonant sound. Okay, so whenever your noun is in the singular form and it's starting with a consonant word, you use a before that. What does a consonant word mean? Consonants are all the other alphabets apart from your vowel alphabets. Apart from a, e, I, o, u, all the other alphabets are your consonant alphabets. Okay, so yeah, so whenever your word is starting with a consonant word and is of course in the singular form, you will use a. Okay, and we use an when the noun is singular and begins with a vowel sound or a vowel word. Whenever your alphabet is whenever your noun is starting with a vowel or and is of course in the singular form and starting with a vowel, for those words, if it starts with a vowel, of course you will have to use an. Like what are your vowels? A, E, I, O, U. If your word starts with any of these and is of course in the singular form, you will use an before that. Alright, for an example of a, okay, where will you use a? Suppose in the singular form and it starts with a consonant letter, like a bird, a doll, a dog, a cat. Okay, it is starting with a consonant word and is in the singular form, so you're using a. And when will you use an in the sentence? Whenever it is starting with a vowel word and is of course in the singular form, like an egg, an apple, sentence for words like that. All right, so there is another article, and that is the. Okay, the word the is also an article. We call it the definite article. Okay, so the is also an article. We use the before nouns starting with consonants as well as vowels. Okay, we use the when we have already talked about the thing. Okay, so always remember, where will you use the? It's not necessary that your word will have to start with a, or your word will have to start with a consonant letter, or your word will have to start with a vowel letter. It's not necessary for using the. Where will you use the? Let me explain you. When we have already talked about the thing. Okay, so whenever you have already talked about the thing in the previous sentence, so in the first sentence, then after the in the second sentence you can use the. For an example, I am reading a new book. The book is very good. Okay, you have already said I am reading a new book. You have already said that you are reading a new book, and in the next sentence you can write the book is very good. If you say the book is very good in the next sentence, I will understand that you're talking about the book that you said that you were reading. Okay, you're saying I am reading a book. The book is very good. You have already said that you are reading a book. So in the next sentence, you can write the book. If you say the book, I will understand you're referring the book that you were reading, that you have mentioned in the previous sentence. All right. When we talk about something in particular, okay, whenever you're talking about something in particular, like in specific, you're talking about something, like for an example, if you say the officer is very busy. Okay, you want to meet an officer, but the officer is very busy. There are so many other officers, but you have to meet that particular officer, that specific officer. So that the officer is very busy, so you can't meet him now. So for sentences like whenever you're talking about something in particular, you also use the. And when there is only one of something, all right, so when there is something that's just one in number, for an example, the sun, the moon. If you say the moon looks so beautiful tonight, okay, so the moon is of course just one in number, right? So for things that's just one in number, for sentences like that, you also use the, like the moon is so beautiful, or the moon looks so beautiful tonight. All right, Before the names of buildings, rivers, seas, oceans, hills, mountains, and mountain ranges. Okay, so before the names of oceans, rivers, you also use the. Okay, or special buildings, before the names of these things, you use the. Like for an example, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is it's a building, right? And it's a very famous building, so you say the Taj Mahal. It's like that. Whenever you're talking about things, whenever the names of buildings, rivers, and everything with a specific name, you use the before it. Okay, like the Indian Ocean, things like that. I hope I'm very clear, kids, and please take care of yourselves and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.